Hey guys, I'm here with Vince,
Real fan Vince.
Real Fan Vince. We have an NS-9 approaching. M2. Hopefully, he gives us a horn show. Horn show. ET44AC.
Nice.
I love that horn. Just walk down this way now. Just walk towards the end of the train. I hope there's a deep view.
What if the DPU is Heritage? What if the DPU is a Heritage?
I hope so. Let's take this to grain train now.
Yeah, it's just your average stamp train.
Do I already see the end?
Slowing down a bit.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's leaking.
Oh yeah, they're leaking. Unfortunately, there's no DPU. Another leak.
I'm just gonna call the headquarters over there.
Oh wait.
I'm just gonna call the tower and say the sand train that you just took off was a leak. I didn't know that's corn. That's corn.
I thought you said this was a -9. I knew it wasn't a -9.
I said corn train.
No, but when you said the lead local, you said -9. I was like, I decided to go along because I didn't want to make you mad. I knew it was an ET44AC, but I didn't want to make you mad because
Yeah,
you
you're
don't know
fine. You're
trains.
fine, man. You're fine.
Because you don't know trains. Look at that automatic switch.
That was cool.
He's slowing down.
It is.
I can't tell. Oh, I hope there's a DPU.
There's another leaking.
Yeah, there's another. Bro, that's like 4. Yeah, there is.
That was overflowing. Most of these great
Guys, there's so many leaks on these trains.
That was overflowing too.
Yeah. Guys, there's so many leaks and
Look
over.
on the roof.
Yeah.
It's just overflowing, that's why.
It's just the trains are just overflowing. There's the end. Sadly, no DPU.
Nope. I'm hopped on the train. Shunting.
There's another train behind it, shunting.
Yeah, shunting. Oh my gosh. Use the sidewalk, man. Look at this. Look at this guy.
Yeah, look at him. He's just walking across the tracks.
Hello, Fred.
Bye, train.